In our last video, we practiced the words that we double the last letter before we add the ing. We practiced the words where we drop the e at ing, and we practiced our sight words. So the only words that are left are our words that have a base word plus the ing ending. And we only have 5, so let's get going. Actually, that's our first word, going. Going. I'm going to the beach this summer. Going. It should look like this. We have our base word, go, and our ending, ing. Going. I'm going to the beach. Beautiful. Let's try another word. Let's try the word floating. Floating. In the ocean, I enjoy floating in the waves. Floating. Floating. It should look like this. We have our base word, full, float, and we have our ing ending, floating. And when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, so we hear this O say its own name, floating. The A is silent. Shh. Floating, base word plus the ing. Let's try the word talking. Talking. I noticed you walking down the hallway in a great way as a class. No one was talking or fooling around. Talking. Talking. It should look like this. We have our base word, to, off. I bet you heard these sounds. Did you know there's a silent letter? Right there, and it's an L. Weird letter to be in the word talking. You don't hear the L at all. And then we have our ing, talking, base word plus the ing. Let's try the word reading. Reading. Reading time is my favorite time at school because there are so many great books to read. Reading. Reading. It should look like this. Eat. Read. Ing. Reading. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, so we hear the E say its own name in reading. We have our base word plus our ing. Reading. Let's try the word working. Working. I'm working on a nonfiction story about leopard geckos. Working. Working. It should look like this. Work. Bet you got those. Did you know that this letter is an O? Sometimes people put a K in there. How weird is that? Work. And then we have our ing ending. Working. Guess what? Mrs. Banville lied. There are 6 words with a base word plus an ing, so we actually have one more. Sorry. It's an easy one, though. Fixing. Fixing. I thanked Mr. Carl for fixing our desks. Fixing. Fixing. It should look like this. We have our base word fix, fix, and our ing ending. Fixing. That's all. If you're studying at home on your own, you made your teacher very happy.